Well, the heat rolls on. Looking at temperatures yesterday, we fell just short of 90, but boy, it felt every bit of 90s yesterday when you factor in the humidity. 88 was the high in Lima. We hit 90 degrees and 91 actually in South Bend, 80 degrees in Cleveland where we had some showers yesterday, 83 in Indy. But look off to the west of us here, St. Louis, where we did not have any storms yesterday. The temperature all the way up to the Century Mark at 100 degrees. So a lot of heat. In fact, this is impacting much of the country right now, and we will be stuck in this hot pattern as we go throughout the next few days. Temperatures already this morning in the 70s for much of the area. Look at Detroit already at 76 this morning. It's 70 in Lima, and temperatures all around the area are very warm. The humidity is sky high, and there's just not a front to come through to change anything up as we go throughout the next few days. Looking at the radar right now, we are mainly dry, mostly cloudy skies, but the rain is north of our area. Some rain showers in Toledo right now, near the Bowling Green area as well. That's kind of shifting away from us there and weakening. But then off to the west, we have some spotty light showers over parts of Indiana. And a lot of this will kind of just stay west of us this morning. We could see a stray shower or two throughout the morning hours today, but I think most of the morning is fairly dry. And in fact, we'll have a lot of dry weather as we go throughout the day today. We are watching the radar over the past 18 hours. We had a storm complex pretty heavy last night for parts of Illinois. Now that has faded out. But why do I point that out? Because we have a weak little kind of meso low spinning over here over parts of Indiana. When you get so much rising air with these thunderstorms, you naturally get low pressure at the surface because all that air is rising. And when these systems develop what we call mesoscale convective vortex, a technical word there, as that starts to shift a little further east today, that could actually be a mechanism to trigger a few storms as it starts to approach western Ohio. So that's something we'll watch for an isolated storm chance later on today. Also, the tropics we are watching too. This system right here, 99L, and we're watching this because it looks like it could move into the Gulf of Mexico by the weekend. And we have several computer models now suggesting a hurricane could make its way towards Louisiana by Sunday into Monday. So certainly going to be hearing a lot more about the tropics over the coming days, and that could actually bring some moisture our way heading into next week. You also have a heat advisory in the area today. We are expecting heat index temperatures between about 95 and 100. As we head throughout this afternoon and even tomorrow and Saturday, just plan on the heat staying with us. Those temperatures will feel like the mid-90s all the way through the weekend. Looking at your skycast today, we expect most of the morning to be dry, and we'll probably see some thinning of the clouds later this morning where we start to see some sunshine. We're going to heat things up pretty quickly too, mid-80s by noon. This afternoon, a few showers and storms. I don't think we'll see anything too widespread though. We're lacking some ingredients like shear in the atmosphere to really get some widespread activity, but some isolated storms with the peak heating will be possible. Tomorrow morning, we could see a few showers and storms, but the showers tomorrow look fairly isolated. They won't last very long. I think much of your Friday is dry. And looking into Saturday as well, that warm front will stay north of us. We're going to stay warm and humid. Not expecting much storm activity on Saturday, just a few pop-ups with the heat of the day on Saturday afternoon. So your 7-day forecast shows those temperatures staying warm through Sunday, a few isolated storms tomorrow, and just a spotty storm in the peak heating of Saturday and Sunday. Finally, next week, a front's going to kind of just slowly move through Monday and Tuesday with some showers and storms, and finally some drier and cooler weather as we head into the middle part of next week.